Welcome to my channel, The Stoic Philosophy. Strategies for effective communication.
Here are 10 detailed instructions of /strategies for effective communication /:1. Active listening. One of the most crucial strategies for effective communication is active listening. This involves not only hearing the words being spoken but also paying attention to the speaker's tone, body language, and emotions. Active listening requires you to fully focus on the speaker, acknowledge their points, and provide thoughtful feedback, ensuring that the message is understood accurately. 2. Clarity and conciseness. Effective communication requires delivering your message clearly and concisely. Avoid using jargon, ambiguous terms, or overly complex language that could confuse the listener. Stick to the main points and ensure that your message is easy to understand. This reduces the chances of miscommunication and ensures the listener grasps the key ideas. 3. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, gestures, and eye contact play a significant role in effective communication. Positive nonverbal communication, like maintaining eye contact and using open gestures, can reinforce trust and engagement, while negative cues, such as crossed arms or avoiding eye contact, can create barriers to understanding. 4. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy allows you to understand and relate to the emotions of the person you're communicating with. By recognizing their feelings and responding with compassion, you create a connection that enhances the effectiveness of the conversation. Emotional intelligence, which includes self-awareness, self-regulation, and social awareness, helps in managing emotions and fostering productive, respectful communication. 5. Tailoring your message to the audience. Understanding your audience is key to communicating effectively. Tailor your language, tone, and message based on who you are speaking to. For example, speaking to a group of professionals may require a more formal approach, while casual conversations with friends may be more relaxed. Knowing your audience ensures that your message is received in the intended manner. 6. Ask for feedback and clarification. Effective communicators actively seek feedback to ensure their message was understood correctly. Asking questions like, "Does that make sense?" or "What are your thoughts on this?" encourages interaction and clears up any misunderstandings. Similarly, if you're unsure of someone's message, ask for clarification to avoid misinterpretation. 7. Practice open-mindedness. Keeping an open mind during communication allows for the exchange of different ideas and perspectives without bias or judgment. It's important to be receptive to other viewpoints and be willing to consider new ideas. This promotes healthy dialogue, enhances collaboration, and reduces conflict or misunderstandings. 8. Be mindful of tone and timing. The tone of your voice and the timing of your message can significantly affect how it's received. A calm, respectful tone can foster open communication, while an aggressive or dismissive tone can cause defensiveness. Similarly, choosing the right time to communicate, when the other person is ready and able to listen, improves the likelihood of a productive conversation. 9. Use of visual aids and examples. In certain situations, supporting your verbal communication with visual aids, charts, diagrams, etc., or concrete examples can help clarify your message. Visual aids are particularly useful in complex discussions, as they can make abstract concepts more tangible and easier to understand. Examples help to illustrate points and make your message more relatable. 10. Conflict resolution skills. In any communication, disagreements may arise. Knowing how to handle conflict constructively is essential. Focus on addressing the issue rather than attacking the person, and strive for solutions that benefit both parties. Use "I" statements to express your feelings without placing blame, and aim for collaborative problem-solving to maintain open, respectful communication. These strategies contribute to more effective communication by promoting clarity, understanding, and mutual respect. By actively applying these approaches, you can improve your relationships, work environments, and personal interactions.
Like and subscribe for more informative videos.